Up next, we have 3 2-minute rounds of boxing.
I want you to see it, but we're going to win. You got to understand, we're going to win right now.
Yeah, 3 2-minute rounds of boxing here. We've got Alex Mulvey taking on Curran. Alex Mulvey representing Yin Yang. Curran representing the Undisputed Fight Academy.
This one's going to be a banger, folks.
Con's current record is 1-0. Looking to extend that today. Confident approach from Alex Mulvey. Again from Yin Yang, we've seen some good fighters from this gym already today. Hoping for another good performance from them. I'm excited about this one, Mitchell. I don't know about you.
Yeah, I am myself. I know Con very well, and I know what type of fighter he is. This guy is evil. He does not stop until the ref pulls him off. I was in attendance for his last fight. He stopped his opponent in the second round with vicious body shots. Con can scrap, but also I know a lot about Yin Yang fight team as well. Full of monsters, real fighters. Like I said to you before, Yin Yang do not let anybody in the ring until they know they're ready, so I'm confident that Alex is ready, and I know Con is.
We're in for a show here, live in Brinsley
this one's
tonight.
going to be a good one. Two heavy lads fighting at 82 kilo.
And if you've been enjoying the action so far, you can keep up to date with all the latest combat sports entertainment on Leapfrog Fight TV for just $9.99 a month.
Reintroducing in the blue corner, representing
We've got Dougie Joyce, aka Curran.
Give it up for Alex Mulvey!
Big crowd here for Alex Mulvey too.
Representing Undisputed Fight Academy, he is known as Dougie Joyce.
Yay, Dougie Joyce!
Smiles on the face of Con.
Con looks eager and ready to go.
With his new nickname.
A very tall lad is Con, standing at 6'7". 6'7" and 82 kilos.
And we are off. The first of 3 rounds.
Oh, heavy exchange straight away.
Big shots. Big shots.
Landing from both young men.
Yeah.
Con pressures him back.
Con getting caught in that corner
A
there.
little bit better than that. This is action-packed.
This is a slump fest. Big shots there.
What a fight.
Mulvey's dishing out some shots here. Con needs to get out of that corner quick. Referee orders a count.
First count.
Brilliant start from Alex Mulvey. Con just taking a moment to regroup with the ref's count. Pretty confident he's going to be able to continue here. Not sure what he needs to do there. Nice.
Good jab there from Con.
Good recovery. And again.
Can Con bring it back? I think so. Con is an animal.
Oh, big shot from Mulvey.
Oh, and again.
And the back foot. Con floated there a little. I think that one rocked him, you know.
Mulvey looks very confident.
Yeah.
Very talented fighter.
Lots of power in those shots.
But will he gas out though, because he's loading up a lot?
Con seems to be struggling in the
I think we've got
corner.
another count
Yeah. Con struggling here. He's rocked, his nose is going too.
What a fight.
He's seeing stars.
Mulvey throwing very good
it's
left
over.
hooks.
It's over.
We done?
It's over. He was wobbling, his eyes were gone. Good call from the referee. Unfortunately, really keen start for both fighters, but brilliant performance from Alex Mulvey.
Tiger Cope into the ring to serenade her boyfriend, and rightly so.
Yeah, brilliant performance from Alex
Brilliant
Mulvey.
performance. That was a good fight, that was. For how long it lasted, that was brilliant. Action-packed.
Bit of medical assistance there in the corner of card.
Well done, Alex Mulvey.
Yeah. Really big shots though from both fighters that came out.
Doing it for him, it was there for him all night.
It was. I think a more composed approach for Curran would have been better suited.
Yeah, he looked sharp in there.
Yeah, he did. He did.
Looked sharp in there.
But I think the speed of going in for the punches leaves you open as well, doesn't it?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, definitely.
Brilliant performance though from Mulvey. Hats off to him. Well done.
Well done, Alex Mulvey.
Lovely setup now. We are now, in fact, heading into a run of title fights up until the end of the show. Every single fight now is for a belt. Starting up next, we have Harry Nutt for Undisputed Fight Academy, making an appearance in a boxing fight for the GCO British title against Jimmy Nicholson from Stratonia. Harry Nutt with a record of 21-1 in all competitions, 6-0 in boxing, looking to make that 7 today with a title.
And your winner by TKO in the blue corner, Alex Mulvey.
Well done to both men there.
Yeah, really good performance there from Mulvey though. Hats
Alex
off to him.
looked sharp in there.
Yeah, he did.
Good left hook. I think it was the left hooks that got him there.
There was venom in those punches.
Yeah, every shot thrown with conviction.
I'm glad I get to watch from the safety behind this table for sure.
Yeah, definitely. I wouldn't want to be on the other end.
No, me neither. And that goes for either fighters, to be honest.
Yeah, Curran can bang as well,
Yeah.
so it goes to show that Alex has a chin.
Exactly.
So he was getting caught, but yeah, it was a good fight. It was a good fight. Well done, Alex Mulvey.